happy to have this opportunity to speak to you about some of the outstanding research that is going on at Western. We've had a long history of excellence and innovation in biotechnology, and we continue to view that as one of our major pillars of strength and areas that we want to continue to develop at a world-class level. We are fortunate here at Western and within our academic health network, which includes the hospitals and a variety of research institutes, that we have the opportunity to work collaboratively on some very big issues by marshaling our strengths and skills in very specific areas where we think we can be global leaders that not only advance innovation and research, but also have a major impact on economic prosperity and our global competitiveness. Through our own infrastructures and our own efforts, we have developed a number of spin-off entities and companies from Western and from our affiliated research institutes and hospitals. I think we're up to 50 or 60 companies now that have been formed through research that is carried out in our academic health network. These companies, brought jobs to the cities and brought revenue base and are expanding our scope well beyond Canada. We're also very interested and very aggressive in licensing our technologies beyond Canada and globally. In particular, we have major linkages in China where we've licensed many of our leading-edge technologies, and indeed have also established joint ventures with a number of industries and institutes in China that have benefited London directly through the creation of new jobs and new entities here. We continue to enhance our infrastructure capabilities. I would say the imaging platforms are among the best in the world. That not only has enabled us to do work that no one else can do, but has also allowed us to build a capacity of strength here in knowledge, in investigators, and also in investment that really puts us at the top of the world in some of these areas. The biggest role of universities, of course, beyond the research itself, is to train the next generation of researchers. So Western has an outstanding environment for training, for the best student experience, for attracting the brightest students, and for exposing them to the thrill of discovery in meaningful ways. And we've developed an ecosystem, I think, that is second to none in Canada to advance biotechnology and to really make a difference for Canadians.
We've been engaged in applied research at Fanshawe since about 2005, and we've been doing it in earnest since 2008. In 2009, we received a $2.3 million 5-year grant from NSERC to found the Center for Sustainable Energy and Environments. And there are 5 umbrella projects within that center. It's a virtual center. The projects that we deal with have to do with concrete. That's one. One has to do with solar shading, so as looking at the performance of windows. Another is a project entitled U-Heat, which is utilization of heat through active transfer. We're looking at getting a structure off the grid and maintaining a constant temperature between 20 and 24 degrees C year-round. So in other words, managing the peaks and troughs in temperature as we would experience in our climate here. The 4th project is a solar-powered utility vehicle where we had developed a charging method for electric vehicles. We're currently using a golf cart as a test vehicle, but we hope to expand that technology into vehicles that are used at hospitals, parks, and in airports. And as an example, the City of London now has one of our vehicles out at the London North Centre Park that they're using in their day-to-day work. It's a utility vehicle. The 5th project is solar power optimization, where we actually developed an algorithm that will determine whether to buy, sell, or store energy from photovoltaic arrays based on the climatic patterns, the cost of energy, as well as the load patterns. And that project, we're in the stages of commercialization. So all the projects that we're developing either have an end use or we're trying to commercialize. The next steps for us are to create projects which are cross-disciplinary in nature and that involve teams from other schools and other programs, and cross-institutional as well. So we're very much looking forward to setting up linkages with Western University, for example, working on projects that they may have, working on commercialization initiatives of various research that they may have employed, may have created in their labs. We are pursuing these initiatives to provide a premier learning experience for our students so that a prospective student, let's say coming out of high school, will want to come to Fanshawe because of the opportunities that we offer them. And notwithstanding, we're also trying to provide a value add to the community by having our students engage on their projects and helping them achieve a competitive advantage.